Welcome to Chapter 5, Part 2, where you're going to learn how to create a tint swatch and modify an original color swatch. The first thing I need you to do is make sure that you have your last name, first name, Oahu magazine cover open. Then what we're going to do is we are going to open up our swatches panel. And what you should have now is your gold, blue, and your pink in your color swatches. I need you to click on your blue swatch so that it's active, being highlighted. Come over to your swatch panel options in that top right hand corner, and then you're going to select New Tint Swatch. What should happen is you should have a dialog box that opens up with all the same settings that the blue swatch had, but you cannot edit them. So if I click on them, I can't change them. The only change that I'm going to be able to make is down here to the tint. So I either want you to drag your slider down to 25%, or you can simply click in the text box and type in 25. Once you've done that, go ahead and hit OK. And now you should see a new color swatch created called Blue 25. So now you are going to double click on your blue swatch so that you can rename it. So we're going to make edits to our original swatch. And we're going to rename it green, and then take our yellow slider and we're going to drag it up to 100%. And now you'll see that our color swatch, or the little box, has changed to a green color instead of a blue. So go ahead and hit OK. And now what you should see when you scroll down to the bottom is that your green swatch, your blue swatch that was blue 25% is now called green 25%. What I want you to do is click on your green 25% and click and hold and drag it until you see that white or grayish line underneath green and in the release, so that you're reordering them with green and then green 25%. And then I want you to drag the gold swatch down to the bottom of the panel so that it doesn't get confused with the yellow swatch. So dragging it below pink, so you should see green, green 25%, pink, and gold. Go ahead and save your work and move on to Part 3. Do not turn this file in yet.